Give me that. I gotta try it. So Paul drained the batteries and then he gave me the remote. Actually, I took it from him. I can cut that out.
Uh-huh. No, it should stay.
Done it again. Oh. Hey guys, we're here at 110 Hobbies in Pembroke, having some fun and doing some reviews on this car, and Paul got me this guy out to actually have a look at. This is a sweet car. It's the INFERNO GT2 VE 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Now this is a 1/8 scale radio control. It is brushless. It comes with a 20,000 kV motor, and this thing is dope. Nice and big also. Like, this is huge for a 1/8. And I'll get another car just to compare real quick beside it. So here's the car beside a Kyosho 1/10 car, and you can really tell the difference on this big bad boy and how big it is. So big difference. Let's look under the hood and see what's in there. So this is based on their 1/8 buggy chassis, and it's been proven. A lot of people like this chassis for on-road and off-road. Really nice, beefed up dry shaft, dog bone center dry shaft. You get the A-frame here that to reinforce the body. Big, thick plate, metal plate on the bottom. You can tell that this thing has been used and loved. And we will be taking this out on the street and having some fun with it. Now, the only thing that's been done on this is that originally he actually had a stock. It comes with a 15-tooth pinion, and he wanted more get up and go on this 20,000 kV. He put a 19-tooth in there, and he enjoys it way more now that he's got that on there. So very nice. Nice shocks. Nice oil shocks. Nice front foam bumper to take all the hits when you do and will hit the curb, if you have curb where you are. The ESC is over here. Brains 8. Brushless. This is non-censored. And you can take up to, what battery type is on this? 4S? So you can take this up to 4S, this power system. I'm sure if you have a system to go up to 8S, you could just change the system. But this should be quick enough, like you notice here. He's taken this out and did some burnout with the wheels. So he's got the tires well used. So
Three runs or so.
3 runs on this so far?
Yeah.
Wow. Now here's the center diff. Did you open up the diff and put change any oil in the center or in the front?
Anything to it.
Have not done anything to it? Okay. Cool. So to change the diff, it's kind of easy because you just take these 4 screws off and everything comes out, and you can actually change your diff or change the oil on it. No sway bars.
They are available aftermarket.
They are available. They do have sway bars for them.
Yeah.
Good. Again, they do have the casters that are metal, which is nice. The rest is, oh, this is actually metal also. The carriers are actually metal. Nice. But the A-arms are plastic. I like plastic A-arms because A-arms do bend and plastic does takes its shape back. So people that replace it for aluminum, once you bend them, they stay crooked. These come back to its original shape. Another thing he's done on this is actually put a fan on the motor. So the only thing he's changed is put a fan on the motor and actually change the spur gear, the pinion.
It goes hand in hand, right? You start loading the motor more, you want to cool it, right?
That is correct. Now with any trucks that you do, with any bodies, you will get tire rub on here. So what he's done to actually save the body a little bit is you just put duct tape. Like that, the duct tape will get the abuse of it, and once the duct tape starts coming off, you just put new one on. So it's a very quick fix to actually save the body a little bit, but not needed, but it's recommended, because if you don't, you will get scuff marks on your body, and you don't want that. You want to keep it as new and as nice as possible, as long as possible. So this body is very nice. Here we got, Paul is putting 4S in here.
It will fit 2 standard size 2S packs. Okay. These are the only 2 I currently have charged, but they will work.
Those, how many Cs are those?
60C. Yeah.
Okay, 5,060 Cs. Okay.
Yeah. They're a little on the light side. I would prefer to run something a little bit more, but I won't run it for long. Cool.
Oh, when you receive the kit, this is the radio that actually comes with it. So it does have a little slant on the handle. Very nice little radio from Kyosho. Not going anywhere. Oh my God, look at that thing. It took off. It took off on us. It's gone. I'm recording. You hold that. Give me that. I gotta try it.
Car, you actually recording?
Yeah, it's recording right now. So Paul drained the batteries and then he gave me the remote. Actually, I took it from him.
Newbie.
Wasn't me, wasn't me. It was Paul driving. Now that you got the tires all wet. Wow, this thing is awesome.
So what do you think?
It's got some get up and go juice, that's for sure. It really takes off on you if you're not careful, you know, especially if the tires are a little bit wet right now. When you really push on it and give it a good throttle all the way, it just gets off on you. But it's a fun car.
You hear that? It gets off on you. I don't know how I feel about car getting off on me.
I can cut that out.
Uh-huh. No, it should stay.
There, that's more my speed. There, we can't get in trouble going this speed. That's what's fun with this. You don't have to drive fast. You can just drive slow and have some fun. Or just go crazy. One or the other. Done it again. Oh. Look how nice and messy it is. All that water and that dust we've been playing around with.
But you can't just let something like this sit on the shelf, right?
No, you got to use it.
That's right.
You can't let it. No shelf queen here, that's for sure.
Nope.
Well, this thing is a blast. Guys, have fun. Comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys later. Me? No. There we go, she's all cleaned up.